Still him. Still him.
Palakpakan naman natin ang ating debutant. Ayan. Okay. Take mo dyan lang. One bite. Wow, palakpakan natin si Jenay. Alright, now we are going to call her mother May for the toast, white toast.